So for any young architect that's, starting their own practice out, what are the two or three things that they should really focus on to drive client satisfaction? Because for architects, I think getting repeat work from the same client I think is a mark
Mm,
of success, right?
yeah.
So what are two, three things that they should really take care of?
I think right now what I am seeing in the market are new architects who are coming up. उनका mindset is very different what we had that time.
थोड़ा सा elaborate करेंगे, what do you mean
Uh,
by mindset is different?
Mindset is different. They think it's a very luxury profession. आजकल जो इंस्टा पे दिखता है वही बिकता है. It's a very luxury profession. You are going here, there, attending events and everything. But actually it is. But behind the back there is a lot of struggle, and they have to do it. Like मुझे आज की डेट में कोई बोलता है ना बाहर जब साइड पे होती है बहुत गर्मी है तो मुझे लगता है यार ठीक तो है. आई मीन आई नो इट्स टचिंग 45 एंड इन सम टाइम. तो उस टाइम पे आई गो लाइक आई बिल्ड, आई डिज़ाइन, आई बिल्ड. तो उसके टाइम पे जब हमारा कोई कास्टिंग हो रही होती है, शटरिंग लेट डाउन हो रही होती है, सरिया बन रहा होता है, आई गो अप टू द लैडर्स, जो 5 वाली लैडर होती है, तो मैं तो उस पे चढ़ के जाती हूँ. एक बार मेरे क्लाइंट ने बोला कि मतलब ना मैं डर रहा था जाने से पहले, एंड यू विथ योर दिस बेली जोन एंड यू आर जस्ट क्लाइंबिंग. तो मुझे लगा कि यार ये बंदी चढ़ सकती है तो क्यों नहीं. एंड इट एक्चुअली ही सेड मी आफ्टर आई गेव हिम दी हैंड ओवर. तो हम लोगों को गर्मी इतना फ़ील नहीं होता है, सर्दी नहीं फ़ील होता है, बिकॉज़ तब ना काम का जुनून होता है. यहाँ पे ना द जेनज़ीज़ और द न्यू आर्किटेक्ट्स हू आर कमिंग अप, so they feel like, they are getting a nice atmosphere, everything, the AC's office, 24/7 facilities, everything. उनको लगता है कि यार बाहर मैम आज थोड़ा सा धूप है या आज बारिश है, और मुझे इतना पता है कि मैं तो अपने स्टाफ को खींच के ना बारिश में भी ले जाती हूँ. एंड वी डू हैव द वीडियोज़ फॉर द सेम कि इतना इतना हम अंदर गए हैं घर के, तो बारिश जस्ट स्टार्टेड, एंड व्हेन वी जस्ट केम आउट एंड इट वाज दिस मच वाटर, लाइक 1 feet,
Right.
and we have to get out and we have to do, and we are happily doing it. And I mean, that's my passion, so I'm very happy taking up all the challenges. For I think for the new people who are coming up, I must say ki they should have patience, persistence, and a hard work. They have to do that.
Patience, persistence, and hard work.
Yes.
um but then, see, for young architects, and I'm not talking about the ones who are coming into job, हाँ, मैं कह रहा हूँ अब उन्होंने डिसाइड कर लिया अपना प्रैक्टिस स्टार्ट
Yeah,
करने
yeah,
के
yeah,
लिए,
yeah.
राइट? तो 1-2 साल का वर्क एक्स होगा, आई एम अज्यूमिंग. आइडियली तो होना चाहिए कम से कम 5-6 साल का वर्क एक्स बिफोर यू स्टार्ट योर ओन प्रैक्टिस, इन माय
Yes.
ओपिनियन.
Ideally होना चाहिए, होता नहीं है.
हाँ.
Sometimes the people come to us 1 year and they say कि अच्छा, we took all the contacts, we have all the contacts from where ma'am is sourcing, we have all the drawings now from the office. Anything can happen anywhere, so you can't do,
Sure.
those stoppings and everything. And then they're opening their office, and now then I get the feedback from the market कि if they have done from you, they would have stayed for a longer time to give justice to the money the client is actually applying on their dream projects. But there are also people who are working with me since like 5-6 years, and I mean they can do very well by their own, but also uh, they're trusting the process of the arc more, so they're working with us more. जो ये जा रहे हैं उनमें पेशेंस नहीं है.
आपके हिसाब से हाउ लॉन्ग शुड दे हैव देयर ओन ड्रीम, दे वांट टू स्टार्ट
Yeah,
देयर
yeah,
ओन
yeah, yeah,
प्रैक्टिस,
of
व्हिच इज
course.
फेयर.
Yes.
आपके हिसाब से हाउ लॉन्ग शुड दे बी associated with you or any other good architect before they start their own practice out?
I think it's never a time bound. Everyone has their own capability, own thought process. So जब तक उनको लगता है ना कि they are really good to do this by their own, and also listening to the clients, they can start. I don't think so it's a time bound. But I also not say it's like 1 year only. Because architecture is a vast field. लगता है यार easy है. So if I talk about interiors, architecture, like thousands of drawings issued has been they've been drawn at the office. a single bracket details, a single cornice detail. I mean, thousands of drawings we issued, and they should have that capability to do that by themselves. Then they start. I used to do all the construction drawings by myself. And तब तो लोगों को लगता था तो इंटीरियर्स करते होंगे, but I was so good at construction drawings.
You still draw by hand?
I do.
Yeah.
Yeah,
The,
yeah,
all
yeah, yeah.
detailing, everything is by hand, right? Still.
Sometimes at the site I have to,
Yeah.
and sometimes like the vendor is, sorry, the contractor is here, and he wants ki ma'am detail and all. I say you have to do this, and on site I have to do this. But yes, then also I make sure that those my drawings has been executed, the drawings
Right.
at the office,
Right.
because there should not be any confusion. But I love to draw. I love to draw. I love to sketch. So that's.
Is the art of sketching getting lost with all technology tools and stuff coming up?
Not exactly. The one who has to draw, they will. The one, see, I say the one who is artist or not, it's all God gifted. It's all God gifted. And अगर आप sketching से शुरू करते हैं, you come with the more broader vision. You have the colors, you have all the mood boards, you just adjust the drawings. तो कई बार तो मैं प्लानिंग कर रही होती हूँ, तो आई ऑलवेज आस्क माई टीम टू कम विद द पेंसिल, एंड दैट लक्कड़ वाला पेंसिल. I don't use that pen 0.5, 0.9. I don't use. I come with this. I just draw, I sketch, and then the ideas pop up. So I think जो एक base रहता है ना, it has to be for the architects and designers. It has to be if you are an artist, and artists always come out to be a good architect.
So, advice to everyone: if you want to be a good architect, take some classes in art. Have some artistic skills with you.